Hello to everyone, this is Dr. Mariam and I welcome everyone on channel legalone.uae. Today I would like to speak about consequences if there is no notice period in termination. This topic I would like to discuss because a couple of our subscribers asked this particular question, and I felt like this will be necessary to speak exactly about the process of the notice period. It happens often when a labor relationship are terminated without a notice period, and this is a serious breach from the side of the company or from the side of the particular worker or employee. So in this situation, what can be suggested? Number one, to follow notice period. What is the notice period? Notice period in accordance with the law is 30 days of notification. During probation, the notice period might be shorter, it might be 14 days. After the probation period, it's always 30 days. But sometimes there are situations when the notice period is more. For example, it's 2 months, 3 months, or more, depends on the mutual agreement between the parties. So this should be stated in the offer letter and after in the employment contract. So if you're in your employment contract, the notice period is 30 days, you need to give the notice for resignation, or a company need to serve your termination with the 30 days. If this is if in your contract it's stated that the notice period is 90 days, you can't serve a notice for the 30 days. It will be breach and you have to inform the company prior to 90 days. Sometimes there are situations when the company they will provide you only financial payment of the notice period, but the termination will be effective immediately. This is also possible, and this is not a breach of the rights of none of the parties. So for example, the company doesn't need you to come during this 90 days, let's say, if you have this notice period for 90 days. They will just provide you with the payment of 90 days, and you will not be obliged to appear to your work. You can find another job during this period. However, it's always important to be sure what is your notice period, when you need to inform about your resignation or termination, and if the notice period is less, you don't need to agree if the company wants to terminate you immediately or without giving you notice period. This can be always complained to the Ministry of Labor and also to the court later on. I hope that this video will be useful for each and everyone. Stay safe, take care. Goodbye. If you have any questions, you can always comment, send a message or email on the Legal One. Take care, stay safe, goodbye.